Let me ask you a very serious question. When last did you sleep without feeling guilty?
Are you asking me?
Yes, it's you I'm talking to. I mean you.
But I used to sleep a little when I have time.
I mean real sleep. Not that I closed my eyes, but my brain was still online, kind.
Sleep is for lazy people.
Most of us are not lazy. We are just professionally tired.
Make me understand.
We stay up late scrolling like we're being paid. We wake up early suffering for free. And we still say, I rest later. Later is a scam.
Can you tell me more?
In 2026, doctors have finally agreed on something. Sleep is not luxury. Sleep is not a reward. Sleep is not for after you finish everything on your to-do list. Because that list never finishes. Sleep is healthcare.
Can you tell me why I need to sleep?
While you are sleeping, your body is fixing things quietly. Your brain is deleting stress. Your immune system is working night shift.
Interesting. I am learning something new about sleep today. I also want to know what happened to my body when I did not sleep well.
I am happy you are learning something new that will better your health. Stay with me to the end, and I will tell you what poor sleep can do to your body. But before that, I have a gift for you from a Proco doctor. Use this gift well and thank me later.
This will also be a time to actually tell you more about our doc. Why I'm saying our doc is sometimes a lot of you don't have doctor's number on speed dial. But if you want to find out what's wrong with you, rather than going to go and ask Google, where if you click Google, Google will tell you that I have 3 months to live. You simply just save this phone number on your screen or go to ourdoc.com/chat and ask our doc the questions that is doing you. In other words, hi, our doc, headache is headaching me. What does it mean? Our doc will not ask you some other questions. Our doc will ask you, when did the headache start? How long did you notice the headache? On what side of your head it is? What's your blood pressure? By the time he asks you all these questions, he's able to give you a rough idea of what's happening to you. But it does not just end there. You say, our doc, after you have told me this thing, I think I actually need a doctor. I want to speak to a doctor. Don't go anywhere. Our doc can still get you to speak with the doctor still on your WhatsApp. You don't need to go anywhere. You say, I need medicine for this headache that's doing me. Our doc, can you help me with it? Yes. Our doc will say, I can help you with the medicine for your headache and deliver it straight to your house. You say, I want to run tests. Just tests. Our doc will say, where do you live? We can bring the people that can do tests to your house. So our doc is for people that have a commentary. The people that know that, let me not waste time going around the wrong listing. Let me just send our doc a message and help me with all my health problems. And it will just not end here. If you say, I don't know how to type, I can only send voice notes, send a voice note to our doc also. All you just need to do is put your voice note, our doc, there is this thing that is moving around in my body. What does it mean? Our doc will answer you back. Magician. So if I were you right now, I will save this number and put it on my WhatsApp and sign up, or go to ourdoc.com/chat.
I hope you find that gift helpful. Check comments for the link. Now let's go back now. When you have poor sleep, 1. Stress increases. 2. Emotions start misbehaving. 3. And sickness finds you easily. So if you've been feeling tired, overwhelmed, or easily irritated, no, you're not weak. You're just sleepy. And that's okay. This is part of taking care of your health every day. You don't need expensive supplements. You don't need complicated routines.
What do I need to do? Start small. Sleep at the same time. Drop the phone earlier. Create a calm space. Perfection is overrated. Consistency is better. Rest is not laziness. Sleep is self-care. If this message sounds like it's talking to you, share it with someone who also needs to go to bed. Thank you.